You have a problem of switch to youtube.com. Okay, we are going to solve this problem, okay, step by step. The first step, we are going to the App Store, okay, and we are going to the search App Store or Play Store, okay, if you have a iOS or Android, and we are going to the YouTube, okay, you search YouTube and go to YouTube. Okay, here, okay, if you have a button of update, okay, you click to update YouTube. Okay, the second step, we are going to the configuration, okay, settings of your phone, and we are going to the apps, okay, and here, okay, we are going to the YouTube. Okay, here have YouTube, we are going to here, okay, and for the Android, okay, you delete a cache, okay, and for the iOS you activate this option, okay, and this it's for the solve this problem. Bye bye.